a descent into Tibet being largely ignored in the world media in ways that I think can be quite worrying for your narrative unless rapidly corrected.
New York, New Jersey, and Sunny could be the Jajimimalaria, Seda, Sataki, Seda, Chinchilla, and Tethering, New Gonchis, Sumbane, Tuba Parlaya, New York, the Yevin, Tawajanaki, Shonsa, Dunlia, and Lingu, Mogo Cambridge, Language Pegidu, and Telaya, the Nagorian, Unity, and Chakapton, Miracle, Shashin, Lacha Unity. Mernazo, Kamama Peronas, Novishu, Tachatan, Sami Kingi, Ane Gizewa, Tachin, and Sawanabula, Lona Chunjun, that Perna Lolia, that Sami, the Kingi, Yenda Chingi, not Shabi, and then they get Lona Chunjun, and then Arazo, Jasa Potam, Potala Gitinlia, Ane Losaki, Yenta, and some Jupiter. Living never near and Pulumis a tree. Chetane, Tandapato, Marantoki, the Nalone, Ane, Jazipo Pomotoki, Pulumis a pretty mountain, Ane, some should drink yen down, deep cavlia, and cherry to cut the cinchi. That they carry some good lana, when Jacob like this, Shango, Shashin, and Chapsi down, Nenga, Mawuchiglia. Dewa Chari. They in the Samba Tarenki Maranso, Gizewa, Shivatachin, and Sanogolagi, Pulim, Dina, and some Jutangi Yan, check the Zamboling Jajigalia, Onechana, Taza Horgi, check Nether the Chambers in Dogo water, Dindeki, Hansa, and the Dotrium, and Arato, the Vacho, when the king killed. Under Chimotu go at the Kenshambo. They in the day are in the Yola and Jajaran, Habsabaki, one looks for teaching down Telaya, then you want to bring you a day, our Patina. Menaka, Mama, Peto, Aina, Hansai, William Service, and Peronas, and a Govishu, Tochana.
A descent into Tibet being largely ignored in the world media in ways that I think can be quite worrying for your narrative unless rapidly corrected. I was struck that here you are, a gathering of international parliamentarians from 26 countries who have come together with Tibetan parliamentarians in exile to discuss all these issues. And there is practically no journalist from a major American publication, let alone an international news agency or international publication. And I think whether it was because you didn't invite them or because you did and didn't try hard enough, or you tried hard enough but they still chose not to come, whatever the cause may be, this is damaging. And it's damaging because the story is intrinsically interesting, but people only realize it is interesting if they hear it being told. And it will not be told unless we make a conscious effort to get it out into the media. Of course, some of us can use social media for the purpose, and we should and we must, but getting media organizations to pay attention is very much part of the challenge. Awareness building, the challenge of awareness cannot be underestimated.